This is the Trading Playbook, where the charts do the talking, and every session makes you a better trader. Hey guys, Lawton here with Verified Investing, back with another Trading Playbook. Happy Saturday, happy weekend. I hope you guys are doing well. Before I get any further, guys, I just ask that you please like, comment, and subscribe to the Verified Investing YouTube channel, as it does really help all of us out here in terms of allowing us to continue to create high quality, free content for all of you out there. And one more thing, guys, before you go anywhere, just know that the $1 Million Long-Term Investor with myself and Gareth Soloway is now live, a brand new long-term trading service that you should definitely check out. Scan the QR code down below right here to learn more. But with that being said, today, what are we talking about? Well, we've done a lot of technical analysis, different patterns, different pivots, psychological levels, and fibs. But today we're going to be talking about something very interesting. Here is the play. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about RSI. Now, RSI is something that you can turn on in your indicator. It's an indicator, the first indicator that I've ever covered on here that's automatic, called the Relative Strength Index. And what does it generally do? What is RSI? When you turn it on, it looks like, okay, this just looks the same as this chart. Nothing's really different. What does it even mean? Well, and what are these ranges? Well, RSI stands for the relative, I'm in caps again, strength index. It is called the Relative Strength Index. And basically, it tells you how strong a stock is comparatively. But there's a couple key things to understand. And it's not as simple as just, well, if it's higher, that means it's stronger, right? And if it's lower, it's weaker. Well, not quite. You can use these numbers, and you can see this little bar that's shaded on the bottom of my screen as 70 for the top and 30 for the bottom. And what does that mean? Generally, RSI above 70, overbought. Let me go ahead and adjust this. RSI above 70 means it's overbought. RSI below 30 equals oversold. This is a general rule of thumb, right? But just because a stock is overbought or oversold doesn't necessarily mean that it needs to pull back, because a stock can remain overbought for a while. And looking at Nvidia, look, it was overbought this entire time. And you're talking about a time frame of between February 24th, like for over a week, was straight overbought. Right. As far as oversold, getting down here at the low here, yeah, it was oversold in April, and look at that amazing bounce. So in general, you can kind of look at it as overbought and oversold, but I wouldn't use that as my singular only indicator just for entering a trade, right? Again, taking a look down here, RSI below 30 right here, and then you ultimately got the bounce. RSI up above 70, and you ultimately did get a pullback. But you want to use other factors with that. Okay? But something really important that I want you to understand is RSI divergence. Now, what is RSI divergence? Let me go ahead and write that down. RSI divergence is when price, the pattern of the stock, pattern, RSI do not match up. So RSI divergence is when the pattern of the stock and the RSI do not match up, right? Now, what does that mean? Well, look for instance here, right? Look for instance here on Nvidia. You see Nvidia, what does it look like? Well, it's creating shoulder, head, shoulder pattern here. And you had this kind of nice, beautiful kind of uptrend, creating that head and shoulders pattern on the RSI. But if we go down here and look at the RSI and where it kind of coincides, okay, left shoulder, wow, that's great. That looks perfect. Looks fine. Comes down, yep, also comes down and goes higher. It goes higher, but the RSI is pretty much just where it was on the left shoulder, slightly higher, despite Nvidia making a brand new high. And as Nvidia comes back up, look at this. This high was taller than the first high, but shorter than the second head, I guess, for the top of the shoulder. And look where RSI is. So you can see the divergence there, that while the price continues to move up in an uptrend, the price is actually coming down in a downtrend. And what does that mean? Well, generally, when they diverge like this, this is called bearish RSI divergence. So again, let me see if I can draw this and help you guys understand this a little more clearly, because I'm not sure if I did the best job of explaining that. I'll go ahead and draw it on the chart. So if the stock is going like this and the RSI is going down like this, creating lower highs, despite the stock is going higher highs, this is bearish RSI divergence. Now, for bullish RSI divergence, it would be the opposite, right? It would be the opposite. Let's say a stock was moving like this, but the RSI was moving kind of like this. Well, this is actually bullish RSI divergence. And you can use RSI in pretty much any time frame. In fact, we use it for day trading, swing trading, for all sorts of trading. I use it during earnings as well sometimes, because moves can go crazy. But RSI exists on any single time frame you want. The 10-minute, the 1 minute, right? You can see. And the most important thing is, guys, to remember that just because RSI is over 70 or under 30 doesn't mean it has to go up or has to go down. Because the stock can continue and stay overbought or oversold for a significant portion of time. With that being said, that's all I have for you guys today. Again, my name is Lawton Ho here with Verified Investing. Please comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next. And don't forget, guys, in tomorrow's episode, I'm going to give you 3 actionable trade setups using RSI as the main indicator. And don't forget to check out Gareth and I's $1 Million Investor Now live. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, weekend, and I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow.
Life moves fast. One day you're starting your career, the next you're raising a family, running a business, paying a mortgage, and wondering where the last 10 years went. Most people know they should be investing for the future. The problem is they don't know who to trust, what to buy, or when to make a move. That's why we created $1 Million Long-Term Investor. I'm Gareth Soloway. For decades, I've studied the market cycles, investor psychology, and the forces that drive long-term wealth creation. One thing I've learned is that not every dollar should be traded actively. Some capital deserves a different approach, a more patient approach, a more disciplined approach. That's exactly what $1 Million Long-Term Investor is designed to provide. To help lead that effort, I've partnered with Verified Investing pro trader Lawton Ho. Together, we manage a $1 million model portfolio built around the principles of long-term investing, transparency, and disciplined risk management.
Most investors don't want to sit in front of charts all day. They have careers, families, and responsibilities. They want their money working for them, even when they're focused on everything else that life demands. That's the investor we're building this portfolio for. We focus primarily on high-quality companies, dividend-paying stocks, and major ETFs positioned to benefit from longer-term market cycles. Positions are often built gradually over time. We'll add when opportunities develop, we'll sometimes take partial profits along the way, and we'll often maintain a core position to stay invested in the bigger move. When market conditions call for it, we may also take defensive positions to help protect capital during broader market downturn. The goal isn't constant activity. The goal is disciplined portfolio growth over time. As a member, you'll be able to follow the portfolio as it evolves. You'll receive updates whenever changes are made. You'll see the positions we're building, the adjustments we're making, and the reasoning behind every decision. Twice each week, I'll provide portfolio updates covering current positions, market conditions, and opportunities we're monitoring next. No guessing, no hidden trades, just transparency.
Building wealth isn't about finding the next hot stock. It's about making smart decisions consistently over time. That's how portfolios grow. That's how retirement accounts grow. And that's how long-term wealth is built. If that's the approach you're looking for, we'd love to have you join us. Welcome to $1 Million Long-Term Investor.
That's the Trading Playbook. If today's episode was your film study, the principle, the pattern, the framework, the application is waiting for you on Sunday. Real setups, real levels, ready before Monday opens. Subscribe to Verified Investing on YouTube. Saturday teaches, Sunday prepares, show up ready.